Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I am starting with running total. The running total tool is a tool used for calculating cumulative totals over a series of rows in a data set. It's particularly useful for tracking running sums of numerical values, such as sales figures, inventory levels, or any other metric that accumulates over time or across a data set. The running total tool in ALTERYX is part of the suite of data preparation and analysis tools that ALTERYX offers, providing users with powerful capabilities to manipulate and derive insights from their data. Then after, the Summarize tool is used for aggregating data based on specified grouping criteria and performing summary calculations on those groups. It's a fundamental tool for summarizing large data sets into more manageable and insightful information. Overall, the Summarize tool in ALTERYX provides a convenient and efficient way to summarize and analyze data, enabling users to gain insights into their data sets quickly and easily. Then after, the Transpose tool is used to restructure your data by converting rows into columns or columns into rows. This transformation can be particularly useful in a different format. Overall, the Transpose tool in ALTERYX provides a flexible way to reshape your data, making it easier to perform various types of analysis and gain insights from your datasets. Then after, the weighted average tool calculates the weighted average of an incoming data column. A weighted average is similar to a common average, but instead of all rows contributing equally to the average, the idea of weight means some rows contribute more than others. Now I will show how these tools are working with sample data.